Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check battery capacity and battery level in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Then go to about phone. Go to about phone here. And here select battery information. And here you can select battery capacity, and here you can read battery capacity 5000 mAh. So this phone has 5000 mAh maximum battery capacity. Okay, then battery level here 71% is available as of now for battery. Okay, that is battery charge 71% remaining. Okay, in this way you can easily check battery capacity and battery level in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.